Hello, everybody, and welcome back. That's right, San Diego Comic-Con and me together right here on the Evil Ted channel. That's right, you heard me, San Diego Comic-Con. How is that possible? I'll tell you how. My friend Ivy Doomkitty has a booth, so I will be at the booth on Friday and Saturday between 1 to 3 p.m. I'll be rushing to get this costume. I'm building a costume. I was inspired by the video game Cyberpunk 2077, which will be released also this year. I'm going to build a costume. My mission is to have the costume done, so I'll be behind the booth in a costume. What's even more exciting, I'll be at San Diego Comic-Con, so while I'm at the booth, I'll be there for you. I'll have 8x10s, buttons, and stickers. And then once I'm free, I'll be able to meet other fellow cosplayers and makers. This is going to be an exciting trip. I can't wait. Follow me on social media, people, so when I'm not at the booth, I can tell you where I'll be next. I can't wait. This is so exciting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next time right here on the Evil Ted channel.